Welcome to another Making Money Mondays. Each and every Mondays, I'll be sharing with you different tips, strategies that you could use right now and implement in your business so you can see results. My name is Joe Olivier, for those who don't know me as yet, and today I would like to continue on that path, showing you something that you could implement today, right now, so you can start making money in your fitness, wellness, nutrition business alike. So let's talk about it. Today I want to talk about the super simple, high ticket campaign. This campaign have worked for myself. I've tried it many times and it works like magic. This is the same campaign I use with a couple of friends. Literally, I have implemented this for a friend of mine's in New York a few months ago, and they are pleased and they're happy with it. They didn't know it was so simple but so effective. So I'd like to share that with you today. So what I want you to do is take some notes. Come on, take some notes. I'm giving you high quality information that you may have to go out there and pay a guru for. I'm giving it away absolutely free. So you know what? Without further ado, let's dive into it. This campaign is really suitable, work best if you already have a list of prospects that you talked to in the past that you have trained for free, or list of clients that you worked with in the past and they fell off due to the new normal. This is kind of perfect for that. So get your list in order and let me show you how you can implement this strategy on Money Making Mondays today and how you can start to see results by tomorrow. Okay, let's look at this. Let's see if I can share my screen quickly and show you something. Let me see here. Okay. Look at this out. This is a simple email strategy, and this marketing strategy is more like a PDF style sales letter strategy where you'll be sending an email and that email will take them to the next step and the next step and then the sale. Okay, let's take it one step at a time. The first step is the email or messenger or any form of text as well. You can use text. Trust me, you could. So let's break it down. Subject line, if you use an email, letter to Mrs. Jones or Mr. Brown or Susan or whoever. So letter to Mrs. Jones. I'm not sure that I have your correct mailing address, so I'm including this letter to you as a PDF. You can read it here. It's about a super small weight loss program I'm putting together for 2021. There are only 10 spots total, so this is very time sensitive. Here's the letter. Talk to you soon and Happy New Year, Joel. Wow, it's that simple. First is the curiosity. Letter to Mrs. Jones. So you have to have or look into having a killer headline. Letter to Mrs. Jones, to me, it'll draw curiosity. And the whole goal about this is not for them to buy with this email. No, no, no. The goal of this email is to have them reading it. Short, precise, for them to take the next action. That's the goal. I've said, I'm not sure that I have your correct mailing address, so I'm including this as a PDF. They might be wondering, did I give you my mailing address? How did he know my mailing address? And as you see, read it here. You create your hyperlink that will forward them to a PDF. Right? So you create now, your goal is now to create your PDF, which is in short words, is actually a sales letter. For those who are new to sales letter, that is copywriting, words that sell. Because most fitness professionals and nutritionists alike and wellness professionals, they struggle with sales. And we'll talk about that some other time. So the sales letter comes in and will be selling on your behalf 24/7, 7 days a week, 12 months out of the year. So you guiding them with this email to take the next step, which is the sales letter. You read the sales letter, and within that sales letter, you now have, again, something very simple. If you want to take it to the next step, all you need to do is what? Follow this basic form to see if we are a perfect fit, a perfect match. And what you could do to is such a simple thing is, let me show you if I could create this. Let me see if I could show you this. Right. I create this today. Now, a simple form. No complication. I build it all out in Kartra. I love Kartra. And if you have never heard about Kartra, Kartra is a simple platform that you could drag and drop elements around and have a website up in seconds. But not just a website, because you don't want just a website as like a pretty, beautiful brochure. No. You want something that can help funnel people through your process. And in return, you get the end result, which is money in the bank and a bigger client base. So I use Kartra to create this form. Talk to Joel. Right? Name, email, a phone number. You can say maybe, again, this is something I just make up on the fly. Like, what's your overall goal? Lose weight, improve in overall health, order. So they can click it and stuff, right? And then, what areas of your body do you need the most help with? They might say, I don't know, I need to lower my cholesterol. I need to lower my pressure. I need to get rid of my muffin top. I need to slim down my waist. Whatever, they will explain it here. And then they press submit. Right? They press submit, they go into the thank you page. But it's not just a thank you page. This is the what next page, I call it. So you say, hey, so here what's next, what do you have to do next? And you start to explain the next process. And that next process could be whatever. And that is really, I'll tell you what I does for the next process. The next process is breaking down our what I'm looking for, what they should expect. So I'll tell them, hey, the next process is I'll give you a call. I'll just go through all the information that you give me, and if you have any question regarding the process, feel free to ask. And I'll also be seeing if we are a perfect fit to work together to get your results done. And that will be the next process. So they're expecting a call, they're expecting a follow-up, they're expecting an email, they're expecting you to contact them. All right? And then you contact them and you vet them through that process to see if they're bullshitter or they're somebody serious, and you close them over the phone because they're already sold. They're already sold. They're just waiting for you to walk them through the process. And it's that simple. It's that simple. Nothing complicated. Everything easy. And it's that simple. Guys, Money Making Mondays will always be simple for you to implement right now. Use this strategy. Simple PDF sales letter strategy. Use it today. Get your old list together, put it together, use what I show you today, change around some stuff, implement it today, and then tell me how it worked for you. I would like to hear your feedback. As always, I hope this information was informative, and if it was, share it with a friend or colleague, someone you know will benefit from it as well. Until next time, peace and success in your business.